nice to meet you, Sinas. Can I ask you one or two questions?
Yes, of course.
First of all, where do you come from?
I'm from Takai province in Cambodia.
And why are you here in Phnom Penh?
Well, I'm here mainly because I want to improve my English.
How much English did you know before you came?
Not a lot. I studied English at school for 2 years, but I didn't learn much. Now I studying in a language school here,
Oh, which school?
the Royal Academy of Cambodia.
Oh, Royal Academy. I know it. Your English is very good now. Who's your teacher?
My teacher is Vijayanath. He's good.
And what did you do back in Pailan province?
Well, actually, I was a teacher, a secondary school teacher. I taught children for 14 to 18.
How many children there in your class?
Sometimes as many as 90.
Good, that add a lot. How often do you go back home?
Usually I go back home every 2 months, but this month my brother is coming here. I'm very excited. I'm going to show him around.
We'll hope your brother has a great visit. Thank you for talking to me.
Hi Rita, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you, and you?
I'm fine, thanks. Thank you so much. My pencil is not trouble at all.
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
Excuse me, is that seat free?
No, sorry, I'm afraid it isn't.
Sorry and late. It doesn't matter you are, you know. What are you doing? I'm drinking a book.
Bye, have a good time. Thank you, same to you.
Bye, see you later.
Bye. We have got similar personalities and we are very different from Luca and Jessica. We are on fly on as one, but he feel much prouder when we are together. Don't we? That's me.
Yes, I always want to be was close. I never feel sad when I'm so lucky. That's how get a boyfriend who is always this. We usually wear the same clothes. I love it when we look at this call people saw we something to last more this pressure. Now I different and I has that.
I don't like it when I'm not with that's me, but I think it's a good idea so spend a bit more time apart. Now we are getting older and we can live together when we are grown ups.
Why not?
I don't really like being a twin. People see identical twin as special, but they don't see what is brilliant and special about you. On your own, I find I often try to be this brilliant from them. I sometimes want the same thing as him in a restaurant, but I never order it.
I think we are different from most twins because we spend more time the pattern. We are in different classes at school and now we are at different university studying in Manchester and I'm doing physics English. We don't feel so competitive now and we are living very differently, but I still really want to be him at sport.
I'm happy we are more independent now. I got a really girlfriend in Manchester, and I don't have to learn about her. I think he's jealous.